Okay, so here we are at part 3 of our analysis of this rocket and across scenario. In this scenario here, I'm playing the devil's advocate. It's a situation I didn't want to be in. The fact that someone has to actually fake their death. In the most powerful nation in the world, he can't feel like he could be protected. Anyway, not enough of that. In this situation, we've already looked at the vectors analysis, and we've definitely come up with that in order for the rocket to do any sort of speed without reaching some dangerous velocity that will kill someone, the rocket has to be the necklace has to be separated, in order for the rocket and the chain to come around in this arc here. Now, in travelling in this arc, we can actually put some sort of tape here and have this blood pack scenario thing to be released by the rocket. But it has to now obtain some sort of velocity and a magnitude that we have to again magnify the accelerator magnifier. Now, for those interested in rockets and model rocketry, to do that, what we need is we need to relocate the rocket. So we've relocated the rocket part, so the thrust will now come along a tube and be transferred to a mass, exactly what the accelerator does. Instead of having the polystyrene projectiles, the mass in the rocket to create the accelerating mass, we now have a projectile mass, which is a rocket at this end. We've already established that from part 1 and 2 that the chain must be intercepted and broken for the rocket or the cross to actually travel in this arc. Otherwise, it would create, to break the chain, it would be an enormous amount of energy and be a lethal force, and that would be obviously someone else's experiment with, I believe they're doing something with some explosive in the small microphone lapel microphone that was on Charlie's t-shirt. I have not investigated that, and I don't really want to go in that. My interest, as I say, was this model rocketry thing, and so I think that's enough, and let's now just show the experiment. So what you should see is the rocket, the daughter rocket in fact, should travel around this arc here, ripping at tape here, releasing the blood pack. So here we go. Alright, so we Okay, so hopefully the other camera, I just switched to the high grade camera, so a fair bit of water coming out now. Alright, so I think that's pretty conclusive that it sort of worked. Okay, so quite a lot of water came out slowly. This has been at least 10 minutes later. This is the whole water left the bucket, little small container. Alright, so conclude what you may from this experiment. I hope that may help those experimenting and researching this situation. I was about to give this up, but I just noticed by looking at the real-time video some strange phenomenon with the sound. So I may make another video just to follow up on the sound, which was, yeah, quite interesting. Alright, okay, thanks again for watching, and maybe we'll see you in the next video.